Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting vegetable puppet. You like that? Vegetables puppet. So at first we are start to draw from carrot. Yes, carrot is our first vegetable and the puppet circle is in the carrot. After that we are try to draw the what is this? Little friends, are you guess which vegetable this is? This is the tomato. Yay, like that. And now we are drawing the brinjal. Yay, like that. So now we are make those vegetable a puppet. Always remember drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Now let's learn the colors name. Yellow color, purple color, dark green color, green color, sky blue color, orange color, dark purple color, dark pink color, red color. At first we are using the orange color for carrot. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.